Define production sites with geo and code mapping. Location management begins in the master module to define the physical footprint of production operations. The location master serves as the central repository for all registered facilities and operational sites. Adding a new location initializes the profile for a specific production or storage entity. The location name distinguishes the facility, while the location code provides a unique identifier for system-wide tracking. Selecting the country establishes the primary geographical region and sets the foundation for localized address formats. The state field further narrows the location to ensure precise regional categorization within the logistics network. Entering the specific address and city provides the exact coordinates required for shipping and site identification. The interactive map validates the physical site data to ensure accuracy in geographic reporting. The status field determines if the location is currently available for active production and resource allocation. Saving the record commits the facility to the system for use in broader manufacturing workflows. This centralized directory ensures data consistency and provides a scalable framework for managing multi-site production activities. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.